There we have battles to show how good Electivire can be. Just one-on-ones. And team 3. Battle. The Geo Snipe EA. They probably don't know which one I'm going to choose. Let's choose a Klefki. Interesting Pokemon to choose. Okay, Klefki. Steel and Fairy type. Let's say a cross drop. If it hits, that would be great. Come on, hit. That's the thing with moves that can miss. They're annoying. Oh, cross up didn't even do that. Klefki is very powerful. Thunderbolt has to kill. Oh, no. Anyway. That is how good Electivire can do versus a Klefki, which is really annoying. It's really good at animating, and yeah, he should be really good here. Just either I'm not that good, or I just happen to have a really strong Pokemon, or something like that. But for the next battle, prove how powerful Electivire is. Well, if I were them, I probably won't know which one I'm choosing. But if they choose yes, I will love them. They chose Steelix, stealing ground type. Now all I have to do is go for a Brick Break. It's going for Mega Steelix. Super effective, but not that powerful. Goes for a crit with a crit. A crit. Okay. It's my best hope. Okay, so Electivire does not do good against ground types. And it does not do good against Klefkis. That's something that you need to remember. Hopefully this last battle good enough to prove that Electivire is not that much used Pokemon and that he should be used. two like me, and I already know which one I want him to be. Yes. Yes. What? Just that. What? What was that? I don't believe it. Unacceptable. A primal. One hitting. This is really bad credit for Electivire. I'm sad to say that Electivire has not won a battle yet. But he is good to have, and I'm not gonna lie. People should have him on his team. Honestly, almost no one has Electivire on the team. And I don't know why. Almost no one has Dragonite on the team. I don't know why. They're pretty good. Yeah, you just have to know how to use them and stuff. Hopefully, this next battle will prove everyone who has not chosen Electivire to use it. It's very good, and the only good video I've shown about good battles was the one Darkrai. That was the best. And I had Darkrai original over it. But, oh, yes. Yes, Heatran, yes. This is probably, this is probably going to be very, very, very sad. Yes. Huh. That is how good Electivire is. One hitting a Heatran. One hit a Heatran. Yeah, that just proves that Electivire is no one to be underestimated. You can change him with a character, but just remember this. Once an Electivire one hit a Heatran, and everyone knows how annoying Heatrans can be. They are annoying. Very annoying. Helpful? Yes. I had one as my starter, I know. In a randomizer, I had a Heatran as a starter. I know how annoying that can be. Heatrans. You again! You again. Okay. You know what happened last time, so yeah. I don't know what happened last time. Oh, Pyro won. So yay, that was yes. Now he's setting out his Noivern. A bit better because now I cannot use the ice beams and he won't be one hitting me. I can use some ice beams and just get around my face. And maybe get some paralysis up. Oh no. This is bad. I have to one hit. No. No. This is very sad. Oh man. Oh, boom burst. Oh. Man, no. It's only because that Jetburm guy is more advanced than me. That's just Jetburm, Just him, not me, it's him. Wait, I think I battled Yeah, I battled Platinum Axe. You again. Wow. Already battled Platinum Axe. So like a millionth time I've battled the same character. Okay. No! Oh. This is embarrassing. Steelix. Get him back. Yes! Yes! I have a chance. I have a chance. If I can just hit the cross top, crit the cross. Yes. 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 Best battle ever. Best battle ever. That was the best battle ever. Best battle ever. 3%. Cross jump hitting 3 times. That is how good Electivire is. No one will ever cast up on Electivire anymore after that battle. You hear that? This is where you start using Electivire.